adventure.
Joe, is it on the hat?
No, use the one on the stick with the orange handle.
Pelicans are going crazy up here. Lots of pelicans.
Blowing up the bunker run.
We got Joey Antonelli on the net because I don't want to get wet.
You don't get wet, one and
So
done.
we had some boat issues with my rig, so on my buddy Anthony's boat this morning. And pelicans are going crazy. No, it's not a bad thing. The pelicans are going crazy and Joey's about to use my patented technique to
Barracuda
throw
style.
that. Oh, you got a lot of holes in that net.
Catch us some snook. It's summertime.
All right, we'll see what happens up here. We'll see if Joey can produce for us.
Tiger,
We got two live wells to fill.
With it and aim low.
Oh, the pelicans are diving. I think birds are a good sign when you're bait fishing. Sometimes the birds don't know because the bait's too deep.
That's so hard.
Who knows?
Let me get that aerial footage.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
filling
we're
up.
we're good.
Yeah, just let it glide like this, and when Joey sees one flip, you can throw.
I'm in neutral.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, I got my throw down.
Oh, they got him.
Just watch your machine too.
Alright,
Machinery.
we're gonna whack them.
Did you see one? Beautiful throw. All right, put it in reverse.
We got them.
Yeah, we're marking them now, right now.
Barracuda style.
All right, pull her in, Joey. See what we got.
We got them. You can feel them shaking. We got some shaking.
Is that a good sign that there might be bait fish?
We're neutral.
Joey didn't get any. Oh, you got a catfish. Oh, the catfish. A couple catfish. Oh, no. Here, just stick them in that front well for now. All right, here we go. I'm opening the well behind you, Joey, so watch your step.
There you go.
Got all kinds of goodies in there.
I know
Catfish
the catfish will
are
get
always-
bit for sure.
Oh, yeah. Catfish are always not a welcome sight when you're cast netting. Get him in, get him in, get him in.
Catfish on deck.
Beautiful baits, beautiful baits. So the catfish really get hung up. Joey's breaking off his barb because that's really the easiest way to get those cats out. If you don't get the catfish out that way, they tear up your net and it's just a pain in the butt. So we shall see what happens here. This guy right here is really hung up.
All right.
The barbs get all stuck in the net. It can be kind of sketchy.
You can bait out.
Here's the other barb. It's easier to pull them out the way they went in, so
I
Here's
got
the
to wait
other bar.
until he gets
you're
all
good,
the
you're
bar.
good, you're good. You're clear. Hang on, one flipped right there a second ago. Right on this rip here. All right, throw it, throw it, throw it. Try it out.
Beautiful.
You marking them?
Yeah.
Yeah, bluther.
No catfish. Oh, they're in it.
Marking them rank.
How deep is it here?
11 feet.
The nets are not going down anymore.
Oh yeah, that was a good shot.
That's a healthy one too. That's it right there.
Catfish extraction. They're gonna be finless catfish, but so the easy way is break it off and don't try and pull it out backwards. I always pull it out from the tip.
Yeah.
Because then it comes out the way with the barbs instead of against the barbs. Yep. It comes out a lot easier.
Tissue, so we're not harming the fish.
Yeah. So we this live well pump went out. So we got one up front, but this one in the back here by the motor is kind of out. So that's not exciting.
So we only have 200 baits today.
Yeah. There we go. Got the barb out. One of the barbs.
Oh,
Did you? So it should, in theory, shake right out. That's how you shake down a catfish. Kick it in, Jerry. I got boots. All right, everyone's hooked up here. Tiger and Joey. What do you got, Joey?
I don't know. Mine's staying down deep.
I don't think that's a sail. I think you got... Tiger's got something funny too. It looks like a Bonichiwa.
That's all we
Either that or a little king.
Messing with it.
It's burning.
Konnichiwa!
Hey, Anthony, just push that thing up a little bit against your piping. The whole thing. There you go. Yep, bonita 1. Oh, bonita 2.
That's all right though. Just getting Tiger warmed up.
The turf.
Yep, we're in the turf. Oh, beauty.
I don't care.
Joey's getting smoked.
By a bonita, there's another one coming up on the boat.
That's tigers right there.
Oh, that's tigers.
Yep, bonitas are good. Bonitas are good fights if you like that kind of a fight. they're good bait though.
You can't do anything. Oh, what's that?
Oh, he's got buddies.
Bunny
He's got buddies. Oh, bonita in the boat. Bonita 2 in the boat.
Choose.
It's a tuna that's not great eating. Some people say they are. I've never
You
messed
can
with
tie them off and then chunk off the side.
chunk off.
Go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Hooked up in the back. Tiger's got a sick cobia. Nice
Look
one.
at that thing.
He just got smoked. We're hooked up in the back.
There's action all around there now.
What we got, Jake?
Oh, it's a king. It's a king.
You got 80 on for that leader?
Kingfish coming in. Flip them. Flip or die.
Oh, that's
Kingfish and cobias on the deck.
Someone with boots.
On the
grab
live
this-
bait.
Grab this line from me. You got him?
Now you're good.
I got you. Ready, man?
All right, hang on. All right, we pulled up and we caught 2 kings right off the bat. Now we got another one in the box, and now we got Tiger's cobia.
Thing's sick.
You hooked him in the head, like in the eye. It wasn't even. Ooh, what's that?
Was that like a 25 pounder?
Yeah. Hold him up.
Yes.
Just lip it like a bass.
Actually,
No, you don't want to lip it like a bass.
thing will kill me.
They have teeth. Yeah, Kobe is on deck. See, here, step back.
Tiger, chew!
Your phone's behind you, but I'll get a picture with it.
All right, let's get
All right, let me get it in the box. In the box, shut the box. Boom. Ready. We got a fish on
Fish
the
on
back.
back.
Fish on the back. We got slaying going on.
Oh, yeah, go real. Sure. Cobia! Cobia!
Is it a cobia?
Over here, cobia!
We got a cobia. Where's the gaff?
Gas. Up top.
Where is it? Get it, Anthony. Hey, here, put his head down. Put his head down a little bit. Hit him, Anthony. In the boat. Yeah! Yeah, boy. Oh, getting hit with baits. We got full-blown chaos going on here. Good job.
Good thing I got 100 tons.
Yeah!
Wrench this thing out of here.
In the meat, boy.
That's it.
Brother, did you see the shark come after that?
Yeah.
Dude, you should have seen the one behind mine.
We're in the meat.
Things was pissed.
Jay, man.
Are you having fun, Anthony?
Yeah.
Yeah! Now you gotta get one.
Give me a Coke.
It is.
Oh, it's a shark.
It's a Coke.
I free spooled, dude. There's no way I was gonna beat that.
I just got thumped too. Oh, shit. I got thumped again. What's your line?
I gotta get one here.
I got one thumped. Cobia too. Just got hit, dude. Yeah. No, I lost him. I lost his cobia.
Yeah, it's right up top.
I lost mine.
Dude, I got thumped so hard by that thing. You gotta get bait now.
You got a Coke?
Yeah. I got thumped twice.
My bait just got home too.
Mega smoked.
It's getting dominated.
It's a big one. It's about to be really dominated, huh? Look how deep that thing is. Oh,
It's gonna be a bonita.
no, that ain't bonita. That was a king. Too deep. Major sharks. Unless it comes straight up right now, it's the only hope. Oh, Gonzo. That's the mark of Satan right there.
That's the mark.
That's
Yeah,
the shark.
I'd pop it before you get into your backing. There you go. The mark of Satan.
Dude, these reels just cannot. They're not big enough.
So at this point in the day, the sun started getting a little higher, and the sharks really just started taking over. As you can see, we couldn't get anything to the boat, and just became wasteful at this point. So we decided to do something different. We decided to run inshore, go look for some other fish. running along the beach here.
That was my friend.
And we ran to a school, big old Jack Crevalle's. Nice and easy, Anthony, because he's pulling line, so we gotta tighten you up a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, he's dumping you, so you can't.
I
When
can
he's
still
pulling
see the
line
whole
like that,
school
you
of
can't
Hey,
do
we'll
anything.
catch back up with them in a second.
Just keep, just.
About a sucker wants to fight.
Yeah, he's
You
dumping
got a
you.
fight ahead of you, Anthony.
Hang on, I'm gonna chase him down for you.
Yeah, that was sick.
I'll let you. You're just winding against the drags. Now reel. Just make sure when
I had a lot of
when
pride in
you're
my life.
reeling,
I'll be off on the
when you're reeling, it's not spinning.
Got him. Big old jack.
Big fish. Brother, this is so cool.
Come on, brother.
Is he a fighter? Nice and easy.
See the boat? I've never fought you that hard.
Nope.
Just follow him around.
Jason, I'm coming.
I mean, a good spot for these people to be lookers.
I go left. Nice and easy on the way up. There you go. Because if it here, hang on.
Oh yeah, brother, she's.
There you go.
I cheated.
Oh,
Right there.
lost. But Joey got a 31 inch snook here, and it's snook season.
He's
So
lively.
Joey's gonna. Ooh, he's trying to jump out. Joey's gonna pop him in the live well here, so we can bleed him, so the meat's good. Oh, good.
Oh.
Squirting. So now we can let him soak, and he's ready to roll. Just let him bleed out humanely, and we got another piece of dinner. We're out here just sorting out the fish. Got cobias. We got slot snooks.
Got the kingfish.
Wow. Still a couple, still got some in there.
Brother, does anybody want water?
Some yucky water. Kingfish.
Quinoa. Someone hold up the belly
One of
hook.
these fish are gonna go sliding in the water, and Joey's gonna have to go in after it. Is that all of them?
That's it, brother.
I think that's it.
That's our day.
I gotta shut that hatch, and you guys can stand up here, and I'll get the shots. All right, your phone. Joe, you want a pic of this?
Ready?
I'm working on it.
Successful release.
All right, it was a successful day. We got cobias, we got kingfish, we went inshore, we caught some snook. Even though I was kind of too busy to film with the snook, we'll do more videos on that, but it was a good day, right, Joey?
Like and subscribe, Captain Matt Bud.
Yeah, 3 natives.
Yeah, go get an acai bowl and 3 natives with Anthony.
I heard they got a cobia special.
I don't know about that.
Cobia acai bowl.